Good evening, guys, and welcome to a short yet pertinent installment and video on herbal remedies. In this evening's video, what I want to talk to you about is, in terms of holistic health and herbal remedies, from a man called James A. Duke, a PhD in botany, a professional botanist and a herb specialist, formerly has recently passed away. I want to talk to you about herbs that can help with coughing. Yes, guys, we all do it. It's a tricky one. Dry coughs, wet coughs, mucousy coughs, blah blah blah. Anyway, yes, the cough, right? The common cough. The common cough is perhaps more common than the common cold, in my estimation. And at times I do have to clear my throat a little bit more, so I understand it very well. Roughly half of the people seeking medical care in winter suffer from inflammation of the respiratory tract, right? Yes, that is down in here when you talk from, in some estimations. Coughing is pretty much the same for most people. When you cough, it's productive and can bring up mucus. So, moving on, right? If you have a particular cough, now I won't go into the various forms because that's the medical thing, but certain coughs can be alleviated with some of the following flavours and herbs as well as berries. So the first one we're looking at is Sambucus nigra, elderberry. Yes, guys, elderberry. Israeli scientists praise elderberry for treating colds, coughs and fever. An Israeli scientist, right, showed that a drug which is now available in the United States made from elderberry yeah, right, drugs or the original thing, right, is effective against flu and includes treating the cough with it. You can also purchase elderberry tincture